Is your Android slowing down? Let's clean up those junk files and cache to boost performance. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and let's jump right in. First, let's clear the cache for individual apps. Open Settings and go to the Apps. Tap See All Apps and select an app. Tap Storage and finally tap Clear Cache. Many Android devices come with built-in maintenance tools. Here is how to use them. Open Settings and look for the options like Battery and Device Care or Device Care or Device Maintenance. Finally, tap on Optimize Now to clean up the junk files and optimize performance. Removing unused apps can free up space and improve performance. Open Settings and go to the Apps. Tap See All Apps. Select an app you no longer need. Tap Uninstall, and if that option is not available here, tap on App Details in Store and finally tap on Uninstall. For deeper clean, use a trusted cleaning app like CC Cleaner or File by Google. Download and install the app from the App Store. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to clean junk files and cache. Clear the system cache partition for more thorough clean. Turn off your device and press and hold the volume up and power button or volume up and down button based on the device model to enter the recovery mode. Use the volume buttons to navigate to Wipe Cache Partition and press the power button to select. Confirm and wait for the process to complete. Disabling bloatware can save resources and improve speed. Open Settings and go to the Apps. Tap See All Apps. Select a pre-install app you don't use. Tap Disable and select Disable App. Regularly manage your downloads and media to free up space. Open Files by Google or your device's file manager. Go to Downloads and delete unnecessary files. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.